Hello, sir. What's your name?
My name is Habib.
Okay, Habib, sir. How are you doing?
Yes, I'm over the moon, sir.
Oh, that's where you from?
Basically, I'm from Shivchar Buzala in Mohammadpur district. Shivchar is the southern central part of Bangladesh.
But also, this is an interview session, so I'll ask you some questions about computers. So, are you ready to give answers?
Yes, sir.
So, we are gonna start. So, how often do you use a computer?
Basically, I use computer every day because I am a freelancer at Fiverr and Upwork, and without my work, I use for in my personal life.
So, what do you use a computer for most often?
Most of the time, I use computer about my work purpose and personal. So most of the time, I use for communication with my friends and family, and to join lots of meeting.
So, what are some of benefits of using a computer?
Actually, there are lots of benefit in computer. Computer has changed our life very easier and faster. We can communicate others. It's very easily, and we can connect our friends, family in the world widely. We can make friends in online by using computer. We can use it in our work purpose.
So, are there any drawbacks to using computers?
Obviously, I truly believe that there are some drawbacks in computer. That is the major concern is uh, cyberbullying and overuse. We have to be careful about use computer. We have to be honest to use computer.
So, do you think computers have changed our lives for the better?
Obviously, sir, computer day by day, computer has changed our life very easier and faster. I make our life very easy by using computer. I think every people in the world can easily connect. We connect with world very easily by using computer, and they can work every work in by computers.
So that's all about our session. So you did very well. I'm very happy to get the answers from you. So how do you feel after completing this session?
Yes, sir. I am very glad to for asking my questions.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.